Okay, so I am once again downtown Redmond. I'm at a different classic car show from the other one that I went to last summer. And once again, it's at our local pub, Wildlife Brewing. So let's see if there's any cars from the last show that are here today, or if there's anything different. So let's check this out.
Your attention, please.
Alright, so this time around I'm just gonna go up and down one side and just see what we got. Got a nice little Chevelle here. Sweet looking Ford. Check this car out. A 69 Camaro. That is so sweet. Ooh, that's a nice looking Chevy. Or Pontiac, I should say. Nice little 57 Chevy. That is sweet.
Thank you very much for bringing it.
That is a nice. This is a nice looking Mercury here. Wow. 67 Mercury Cougar. You know what? My very first car that I ever owned was a Mercury Comet, 1974. Gutless as gutless can be. It was 69 Porsche. And it's for sale.
You get done with your route.
Alright, let's get to this other side. Nice. And another Mercury Cougar. Ooh. The Chevelle here. That is cool. What we got here? An Oldsmobile 67. Camaro's another one of those cars. I think I mentioned this in my past vlog, that Camaro's was another one of my favorite cars, other than next to a Mustang. Ooh, check that out. A GMC Jimmy truck. Ooh, a nice Nova here. Hey, my old YouTube name, Nova Vaughn. So, all right. An AMX, the AMC. Ford. Ooh, a good old Chevy wagon. Ooh, year I graduated, 1987 Ford Ranger. Sweet. That's nice. And let's see. Got a 68 Camaro here. That's sweet. Ooh, from 1929. Wow. That Model A. Rooster pickup. Sweet. And they do have some newer models here. Looks like a 2002 Mustang. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah.
Carburetors,
All right. So, more. I like that Plymouth there. It's a nice looking car. Ooh, number 1980. I remember these kind of cars back in the 80s during my high school days, and I would have loved to have had a car like that. Couldn't afford it, but But I was proud of the car that I had. Okay. I'm just kind of just browsing these. If anything piques my interest, I'll check it out. Ooh, Rocket 68. I love that. Let's check that out. An Oldsmobile 68 Olds. Ooh. How about this? I like that. Oh wow, that is quite a detail work on this car. What is this? It's a 94 Lincoln Continental with a sunroof. Man, almost looks like a limousine here.
But yeah.
Ah, here we go. Here's a Mustang, a classic Mustang. I love the color of this. And it's a 66. Warriors come out to play. 68 Camaro. Wow. And another Camaro, 67. And it's for sale too. Motorcycle raffle. I don't think the wife would be appreciative if I enter for a motorbike. Let me check this Bronco out. The 66. I could have used one of these kind of cars for my logo when I was Nova Vaughn. Sure hope they don't have to put this back together. Maybe there's extra parts. There are more cars at this show than there was at the last show I was at, for sure. Oh, hey, man. I could kind of use this and build this out as an extension at my house and make this my YouTube studio. Ooh, that's a nice Corvette. What year? 56 Roadster. Wonder if that's the, let's see, what's it? 1984. Okay, it's not 1985, so it's not the Toyota from Back to the Future. It's like a Bond car. I don't know if it is, but hey. Another car I could have used for my Nova Vaughn days. Well, that's a nice looking Camaro. I like the color on this. Let's check the year. The 1969. Yeah. Ooh, wow. 67 Corvette. Ooh, that's a sweet looking Mustang.
That's old school.
Alright, here we go. That one's for sale. A good old classic 57 Chevy. Okay.
Of a 300CX and a barrel.
Flat black paint. Oh, man. Hey. No, I thought they were going to drag race. No, I guess not. That would have been so cool, though, if they did. I like that Mustang. I like the color. I think I'm on the final stretch of this main drag. Still have a couple side streets I can explore. Wonder if I should get give this car my autograph. They're writing on this car here. Do it. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Let's find a. What color options are we there? I'll just go blue because, you know, with my Seahawks. Yeah, just.
And it matches the car.
Okay. Let's see. So let's find a little spot here. Just finding a nice little space. That's the trick. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna give you guys a little teaser on something here. Let's see. Wow. Don't think, I can't use, I'm not gonna use blue on blue. I'll grab red. Here we go. Alright, here's a teaser. Okay. Sneak away. There's a teaser. Ooh, sweet. Classic Nova. That would have been funny if I had a Nova with my name, Nova Vaughn, my old YouTube name. Oh man, a Beamer. Wow, that would have been nice to have for a graduation present. That would have been very nice to have for a graduation present. Yeah, wow. You got a Camaro right here and a Nova right here. And a Mustang right here. 67. A 53 MGTD. Detail, fire, Ford model, a Buick Skylark, almost. How funny would it be if there was a Nova and a van next to it? Nova van. I know, cheap dad joke.
Tonight I'm going to suck.
36 Auburn. Woo, that is sweet looking. That is a sweet looking ride. Wow. Okay. It's a 68 Camaro convertible. I love the paint job on that. That's a cool green color.
Aside from the blue hood,
oh, here's
the brown driver door.
67
It's
Mustang.
pickup. I love it.
69 Chevy.
That was good. Jeffrey.
Oh, wow. 64 Dart. I think this is the Shelby here. Yep, it is. So this Shelby was at the last car show. Again, it was my favorite car of that. So we got some more cars coming down. The 57 Chevy. That's nice. Got a couple more vehicles getting ready to leave here. Okay. So it's almost that time where the show's going to be over with. So this is a good thing to see. Ooh, that awesome Mustang. Alright. Is he going straight down? Yep, he's going straight down.
You need a picture posing with the car? Do you need a picture?
Yeah.
There you go. Big rig. Oh. And there's an Impala that's getting ready to leave. Woo. You got it. No, you got it. You got it. Low rider, yeah. Go, yeah. Oh no. All right, there you go. Hey, here we go. Here comes a Camaro. Almost looks like one right after the other, or unless that's a Nova. Woo! This is so cool seeing these trucks leave. And cars. Is the band ZZ Top in this car or not? Just a curious. Nope. Oh, and we got more coming down. An old Volkswagen Bug. Spud Bug. Nice Viper. Wow. Even a biker. Oh, that's a sweet ride. Sweet, take care.
Thank you.
I gotta tell you, this is so neat to see these vehicles leave and hearing how loud they can be. The car owners, awesome. Bring your dog. Bring your dog to work. It's not bring your dog to work. Bring your dog to a show. Come on, Darren, you're better than that. And we got a couple more leaving. Nice ride. Thank you. And those cars down in that block are starting to dwindle down. All right. I gotta tell you, this is so cool to see these cars exit the show. I like it. All right, who's gonna leave? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win on exiting? Who's gonna win on exiting? Let's see. Is it the Blazer or the Dodge? And the Dodge wins. Well, maybe. But he's waiting for the Dodge. Let the Chevy guys wait. It's not a Blazer, it's a Chevy truck. Silverado. What am I thinking? So just looking down where you see the traffic light, a good amount of these cars have been gone, and there's still a few left. Just kind of going through here and checking things out. Still got one more down there. And I'd like to see the Shelby take off. So that's kind of why I'm kind of just still chilling out here, because I just would like to see who the owner is and give him a thumbs up. But this show is basically over and just people are leaving. There's still some stragglers here and they're getting ready to leave, but the majority of them have pretty much left. So let's just see how this plays out. Oh, it would help if I have it on the car, not the road, literally. And it looks like that block is finally clear. Take care. Here he comes. Go clear. Yep. And the Broncos taking off first. Have a good one. And he's finally taken off. Take care. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to just give my final thoughts on here right in front of the 68 Mustang Shelby here. So I really like this car show. It was very cool. And I was talking to a couple of people that I saw, and excuse the background noise from some vehicles firing up because they're exiting, as you can see in the previous scenes. But I really thought this was great. They're really noisy. Okay. And I really thought that this was a great show. I really enjoyed doing this. I think that there was more cars at this show than the last show that I went to at the Wild Ride, whatever that was called. Like, what's your Wild Ride? And this was from a different sponsor, but they're at the same location. More cars, I really believe there were, and I like the selection here, and seeing some of these cars leaving was just great. And so thank you guys so much for watching this. And I just saw the owner of the Shelby getting in his vehicle, so definitely this was worth the wait. There it goes. Take care.